How to enable or disable camera control light press clean preview on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Camera. Next, tap on Camera Control. Then at the top, tap on Clean Preview. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. So here, let's take a look. If I launch the camera with the side button here, the camera control, and if I light press on it, you can see the phone will give you a clean preview. So what does it do? When you light press the camera control button, the clean preview mode activates, hiding all the camera interface elements except for the viewfinder and the essential controls. This provides a cleaner and less cluttered shooting experience, especially when you want to focus solely on the subject and the composition. So you can see all this interface down here will be disappeared or will be removed when you light press on the button. So if I go back into the settings and turn it off, and if I now light press on the button, you can see all this interface controls will stay intact. It will not hide itself. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.